Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that the most important reports about the ongoing war in Amhara and Afar region have been received, which I will share with you in this video. Viewers, first of all, I will inform you about the information received about the Amhara region, especially about Vagaltina. I will then talk about the sensitive interview given by Tigray government spokesman Getachew. And finally, I will inform you about the new information about the Ethiopian National Defense Force prisoners of wars. Viewers, as you know, the war in the Amhara region has been on its peak for the last 1 week, and Tigray Defense Force has made significant achievements in the Amhara region during this week. Heavy fighting has been going on between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force in Imbasal and Vagaltina since last 1 week. Today, Tigray Defense Force sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force has gained full control over Vagaltina after heavy defeat of Ethiopian National Defense Force. Because heavy fighting has been going on in Vagaltina and Imbasal since last 1 week. But now, according to the latest reports, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered in Vagaltina and has taken full control over Vagaltina. And there are different claims coming from both sides about the ongoing war in Imbasal. According to TDF, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have taken full control of the Imbasal mountains. On the other hand, the Ethiopian Air Force has claimed that the Ethiopian Air Force has made great strides against Tigray Defense Force in Imbasal. But there are still no clear reports about the Imbasal, and Tigray Defense Force has gained full control over Vagaltina, which is located near the Imbasal. Viewers, and yesterday on the A2 highway, a huge victory from Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force has gained full control over Vichale, while heavy war is still going on in Vargisa, which is situated near Vichale on A2 highway. Because Tigray Defense Force is now trying its best to get control over Dessie and Kombolcha as soon as possible. And for this purpose, after getting control on Chifra, Tigray Defense Force now moving towards Kombolcha and Dessie. And there are also an effort from the Ethiopian National Defense Force to prevent Tigray Defense Force from moving forward. And according to reports, Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers are now moving to stop the Tigray Defense Force soldiers from leaving the Dessie. Viewers, on the other hand, Getachew Reda, a spokesman for the Tigray government, has given a sensitive interview on the ongoing fighting in northern Ethiopia. In his interview, Getachew Reda has said that Abiy Ahmed is now recruiting underage young children in this war who did not get war training. Getachew Reda has said that we started the war as planned and we have an army fully occupied. We have destroyed all the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allied forces, and we have captured historical places like Chifra so that people are not trampled. We started fighting for our defense, but now it is difficult for them to defend themselves. He added that the Ethiopian National Defense Force used tanks, weapons, and planes to capture everything, and we capture it in only 10 days. Viewers, Getachew Reda claims Tigray Defense Force has captured a large number of troops and destroyed several divisions of the Ethiopian army. Getachew Reda also said that his forces completely destroyed the eastern command of the Ethiopian army, including further divisions deployed as reinforcements. Getachew Reda expressed his determination that Tigray Defense Force would end Abiy's final and decisive aggregation in a day or two. Abiy Ahmed's dream of capturing Tigray and ending his people is about to come to an end, he said. Viewers, on the other hand, hundreds of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers are being made as prisoners of war. According to Tigray Defense Force, young children are being recruited into the army by Ethiopian National Defense Force. And two videos clips from Tigray Defense Force have also been shared about it, which I will share with you at the end. Tigray Defense Force has claimed that underage children are being sent to the battlefield without any military training, where they surrender without any resistance. The video clip that has been shared clearly shows that the soldiers of the Ethiopian National Defense Force are about 15, 16 and 17 years old. So viewers, let's watch the video clip. Thanks for watching.
እኛ ከነጫማ ያቻችሁ አዲስ ከስከስ ያለው የለም። ከስከስ አልሰጣችሁም እንዴ? በቃ አንድ ጊዜ ነው የተሰጣችሁ። አንቺ እድሜ ስንት ነው? እድሜ ስንት ነው? 14
ስሜ ተመስገን እንደማገኝ እባላለሁ። እድሜ 15 ነው። የመጣሁት ከአርሲ ነገሌ ነው። እኔ በራሴ የገባሁት በእንትን ሲናገሩ ገበያ ውስጥ ከጓደኞቼ ጋር ብር የገባሁኝ እኔ የሰነጠልኩት አዋሽ ቢሾላ ነው። 1 ወር ነው ግን የሰነጠልኩት። ከዛው እንደሰነጠልኩኝ ግን ምንም እረፍት አልሰጡንም። ቀጥታ ወደ ግዳጅ እንደገባ ነው። ወዲያው ነው ግዳጅ እንደገባን ያው ሁሉንም ነገር አየን። እኛም ተጎዳን፣ የሞተውን ሰውም አለ፣ ሁሉም ሰው ተጎዳ። ያው ይሄን ነው ሰው የገባሁት እኔ በ2014 ላይ ነው የተማረኩትም። ወደዛ ግዳጅ ያስገቡን በአንድ ሳምንት እረፍት ሰጡን። ከዛን ደግሞ ቀጥታ ወደ ግዳጅ ወሰዱን። ከግዳጅ በኋላ ነው እንደ ተጎዳነው እኛ። ሁሉም ሰው ምን ያሉ ሬሳ እንደ ውሻ እየተጣለም ያለ ያው እኛ ያየነው ይሄንን ነገር ነው። አሮጊቶችም አሉ፣ ሽማግሌዎችም አሉ፣ ህፃናቶችም አሉ ከኛ ያባሱት። የሞተም ሰው አለ እንዳለ በጠቅላላ። ይሄ ግን እንደዚህ መደረግ የለበትም ነበር። እኔ እነሱን አግኝቻቸው አላውቅም፣ ግን ማግኘት እፈልጋለሁ። አሁንም እነሱን ማግኘት እፈልጋለሁ፣ ግን አልቻልኩም። ስልክም ደውዬላቸውም አላውቅም። አሁንም ግን ማግኘት እፈልጋለሁ እነሱ ጋር። ውትድርና ውስጥ እኔ ጓደኞቼ ሲመዘገቡ ከነሱ ጋር አብሬያቸው ገባሁ። የትምህርት ቤት ሰርቲፊኬት አምጣሉኝ። የትምህርት ቤት ሰርቲፊኬቴን ይዤ ወደ እነሱ ጋር አብሬ ተቀላቅያቸው ገባሁ።